guys, welcome. My name is Nuance, and today I'm going to be doing a redstone challenge by Mumbo Jumbo. And this is my smart redstone fountain. Now, what this smart fountain is it's a fountain that in the daytime it has water spewing out, and in the nighttime it has lava spewing out. So it's, double faceted. In the nighttime it sheds light and whatever, and it's a pretty cool design. But Mumbo Jumbo was complaining about how his design wasn't compact enough. So now I've made a super compact version of this design. It does work with the daylight sensor, and it will output lava and water. Now, the one flaw to my design that isn't even really a flaw, because you normally use this in survival mode where you don't have cheats enabled or commands or whatever you want to call them, is that you have to actually naturally wait for it to turn in the daytime or figure out exactly what the light value is to set it to, because if you set it higher than a certain light value, it's not going to set it to water, because both of these will be powered. You've got to set it to the value where this daylight sensor only powers this redstone dust and this block, or just wait for it to turn daytime naturally where it will do that and set it to water. Now, this design is much more, much more concise and practical and survival friendly than any of the other designs I've seen so far around. And I will leave links to my friend Mushroom Menace's design and, of course, Mumbo Jumbo's original design in the description, because, they're the reasons that I am doing this. So, with no further ado, let's just go ahead and turn it to nighttime and see if it works. Alright, it should be ready in a few seconds. Let me just set it to 14,000 to speed up the process. Yep. Alright, the lava is spewing, and it looks like it's working. It is shedding a nice light to the night, and I think this would be a nice addition to really any SMP, survival, or basically anything. Alright, so for this build, it's relatively survival friendly, so we won't need much stuff. We'll need 2 dispensers, 2 redstone comparators, the daylight sensor, of course, 4 redstone, 2 redstone repeaters, a redstone torch, and, of course, the lava bucket and the water bucket. And it's good to take along a little bit of some block to build with, as you can see. I used quartz because I think it looks best for something like this, but you can use any block, including cobblestone. So you want to start off by going 3 blocks in and 4 blocks to the side, and do that with all of this, and then build out 2 more and place 1 redstone, 1 dispenser here, and another dispenser right on top of it. After you've done that, you want to place down your daylight sensor right there, comparator here, 2 redstone dust here, 2 redstone dust there, a block here with a redstone torch for the inversion, and a repeater at 3 ticks or 4 ticks. I usually prefer 4 ticks, but 3 ticks is also fine, and a repeater here with a 2-tick delay. Now, in the very top one, we want to place down our water bucket, and in the bottom one, we want to place down our lava bucket. Now, before we start this off, let me just take off the water bucket and activate this once so it gets started. And now that it's started, we can put the water bucket in. Of course, we do want to block this in. And as you can see, this is spewing out water. Now you can, lava. Now you can encase this however you want, like I did. But as this is a very basic version of it, just to show that it does work, here is this. Now, once it is close to turning daytime, I'll just add 1,000 each time, and we'll wait until this turns off, or we'll wait until it looks like it's turning dawn. It does look like it's, the horizon's coming up. So let's just add, 50 or 100 to the time, because if we add it too much, then this won't happen. See, this one turned off, but this only barely turned down. Now, if we just add 50 now again, and wait, this one will turn on in just a second when the sun actually pops up. The daylight sensors are pretty good that way, and there we have it. It's here. The water comes out. Now, the only reason it looks like the cobblestone's being placed here right now is because normally you would have this enclosed and only coming out of the bottom. But as we didn't do that this time because we tried to minimize the amount of resources we use, that's what happens. So you will want to put some sort of encasing around the side if you do want to make this actually work. So that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If there's any problem with this, or if you guys have managed to find a better way to do this, feel free to message it to me and I'll make an updated video on a even better way to make a smart fountain. Make sure to go check out the videos linked in the description down below, and I will see you guys next time. Consider subscribing if you enjoyed. Peace.